You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. Let's break it down. The British English pronunciation. Consecrated. I put the phonetic spelling for you on the screen. Consecrated. With a stress on the first syllable. The American English pronunciation is as consecrated. Consecrated, American English, US, or consecrated, British English, UK. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.